Welcome my friends to another Vlogmas and into my kitchen. Today we are doing something fun. Fun for me and I hope fun for you. We are doing mulled wine. I wanted to make a Portuguese recipe but I don't have port wine and here in Romania it's fairly hard to get. So we are going to use what I have in the house. I said that this video is fun for me because for the first time I'm not filming this alone. I'm filming this with my partner Flavius. He's holding the camera now and for me it's very fun because he's making me laugh and he never participates in these videos and I'm very glad that he accepts to do this with me. So, for the recipe today we are going to use cinnamon sticks. We have here nice cinnamon sticks. We are going to use sugar. And I have here a blend of things that are used to make mulled wine, like, let's see what we have here: cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, orange peel and cloves, and also star anise. So this would be interesting because to get this separately it would be quite hard. We are going to start now by peeling the oranges. We are going to use 1 liter, I think this is 0.75, approximately 1 liter, and I need a lot of oranges, so bear with me here. These are not exactly oranges, they are a sweeter kind, so these are tangerines. This is the first time I'm making mulled wine. I really like to go out at Christmas fairs, but this year we will not have such a gathering, so I will make it at home. So we have these tangerines, we are putting them in this lovely pan and we are adding sugar. Because the wine, it's not very sweet, actually it's not sweet at all, I will put 2 of these of sugar, and it's sugar with cinnamon. I think it's a lovely blend. And also I will put this spices. This says on the package that it's for 3 liters of wine, so I should put less. Okay, that's enough. And let's throw some cinnamon sticks. The recipe is to blend all this together until the sugar melts, and then to add the wine, because the wine doesn't have to boil because you lose all the alcohol in the wine if you boil it. Oh my god, how it smells! It smells delicious. I should make this every day. So you really squash this to release the juices, and the juices has to blend with the sugar. I will add some apple as well. I chose a sweet kind of apple because everything in this recipe should be sweet to enhance the taste. And just cut it into pieces. And put all of this here. While we are letting this to simmer here, like approximately I think 10 minutes, we are going to open the wine. Like I said, we are using a dry wine because I don't have a sweet one, but you should use sweet if you have. So now we are going to put this bottle of wine in the pan here. And I can tell you that it smells delicious. Before I was thinking that I'm not going to actually drink all of this on my own because I'm the only one who drinks, remember from the previous videos. But I think now that I'm actually going to drink all of it. So we let it simmer here, not boil, like 5-7 minutes. And now we are going to stop from boiling, and we are going to put it in this lovely mug that I got as a present from Christmas. And we garnish this with some orange zest and some cinnamon sticks. Voila! And now let's taste this. I hope it's not too hot. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. It's actually good. For a wine that it's dry and not at all sweet, it's very good. The sugar did its job and the cinnamon, you can feel the taste, so it's really good. Tonight we are going to actually drink all of this over Netflix. Really, really good. If you are from Portugal or you have port wine at your disposal, it would be best to use because it's going to give a sweeter taste. But also this came up really good with just dry, ordinary wine. Thank you for cooking with me in my kitchen today, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye!